Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Children, today we will discuss the question answers about the chapter Facts about Prophet Musa alayhis salam, part 1. Okay, now let us see the first question. Who was Yaqub? Why did he immigrate to Egypt? So you all know very well that who was Yaqub? Yaqub was Hazrat Yusuf alayhis salam's father. And why did he immigrated to Egypt? You all know that he immigrated to Egypt at the request of his son Prophet Yusuf alayhis salam. Then what is the next question? What are his descendants called? Can you tell me what are his descendants called? Yes, you will write. I know you know it very well. His descendants are called Bani Israel, the children of Israel. Which corrupt habit did the children of Israel acquire with the passage of time? What was its result? So, what habits they had adopted? They have adopted all bad ways and had begun to neglect their duties towards Allah. They had abandoned people calling to Allah, and their hearts were set on the passing delights of the world. As a result, they forgot that they belonged to the house of Yusuf alayhis salam and they did not fulfill their duty towards Allah. Then the next question is, what kind of a new king came to the throne of Egypt during this time? What kind of the king came? Can you tell me? Yes, a very proud and cruel king came to the throne of Egypt. Then the next question is, what did he think of Bani Israel? What did he think of Bani Israel? You have read in the chapter that he thought that they were not of this land, not belong to Egypt, because they had migrated from Canaan, and he treated them very badly. So you will write that he thought that Bani Israel did not belong to Egypt. They are foreigners as they belong to the house of Yusuf and had immigrated from Canaan long ago. Then next question is, what is the next question? How did he treat them and why did he divide his people into various groups? So what you will write? How did he treat Bani Israels? He treated them very harshly, very cruelly. And why did he divided his people into various groups? He divided his people into various groups so that he could place the Bani Israels in the lowest rank of the society and who had no rights and powers in the kingdom. Okay, they were just like slaves. Why did people of Israel refuse to worship Pharaoh? What was his result? So, why did the people of Israel refuse to worship Pharaoh? The children of Israel refused to worship Pharaoh because they believe in Allah and His Messenger. As a result, what happened? You know what happened now? The Pharaoh became more and more cruel and angry. Then the next question is, why did Pharaoh command his soldiers to kill every baby that was born among Bani Israel? So why did the Pharaoh command so? The Pharaoh commanded so because a magician had told him that a boy will be born among the tribe of Bani Israel who will kill him in future. That is why he ordered his soldiers to kill all the baby boys that were born in the clan of Bani Israel. But Allah wished that to occur, which Pharaoh had always feared. What does this mean? What did Allah wish that always occur? that in spite of all the restrictions and in spite of all the precautions taken by the Pharaoh, Prophet Musa was born in the tribe of Bani Israel. Why did the parents of Musa tell no one of his birth? Why did they told nobody about his birth? Because they feared that if they will inform him, then the soldiers will kill the baby boy. Then next question is, what did Musa's mother do to save the life of her son? What did she ask her daughter to do? What did Musa's mother do? Musa's mother kept him in a basket and floated him in the river Nile. And what did he ask her daughter? She asked her daughter to follow the basket and see where it reached. Then the last question is, why did Pharaoh's wife ask him not to kill the baby boy? Why did she ask? The Pharaoh's wife had no children. She was so impressed with the baby boy and she decided to adopt him as his own child. That is why she asked the Pharaoh not to kill the baby boy. These are all the question answers which you will do neatly in your copy. I will send you the PDF also, okay?